Trade recap for Friday, November 8th, 2024. Price opened, came up to these honestly all-time highs. We had up here hourly highs. Right now we're pushing up to all-time highs due to the election. Price pushed up in these hourly highs, and then 10 o'clock news hit, causing this huge imbalance. So this huge leg down. And then we had this 1 minute fair value gap. We had this 5-minute SMT from these highs to these highs, and then an NQ from these highs to these highs. Had a 5-minute SMT. We had like an all-time high sweep. We had this 1 minute fair value gap, and then I waited for price to kind of push back up into this fair value gap, and then price closed back below it. I said sell SPX. I was targeting these kind of 5-minute lows here, and then the rest of this fair value gap all the way down here. And then obviously price has kind of chopped around for a little bit, and then eventually started moving back higher. Now what I could have done, since this was a 1-hour sweep as opposed to, let's say, a 15-minute sweep, there was no 5-minute retrace. That's something I didn't take into consideration. There was no 5-minute retrace today, so therefore price just kind of stayed kind of stagnant for a little bit, and then obviously moved higher. And yeah, lost about 1%, but it's all good. This week has been kind of, it's not, yeah, I mean, I've only traded twice this week, and obviously I made my mistake on, I think it was Wednesday or Monday, I think it was. I made the mistake of taking an NQ trade, and I lost like 3 or 4% that day, and then here I am down another percent. So I'm down about like 5% this week. Usually I don't risk all that much, but the fact that I didn't calculate my risk properly on NASDAQ really sent me into this kind of hole, and it's a little annoying, but we'll get out of it for sure, because we killed it in September. October was kind of a poor month for me, but September we definitely, I absolutely murdered the month of September. So I mean, I'm just trying to get back in there. I think this honestly was a pretty good trade execution. I think the only thing I didn't do properly was I didn't wait for a 5-minute retrace. If there was a 5-minute retrace of this whole thing, it would have been game over. You know what I'm saying? 5-minute SMT, 1-hour sweep, and then we got to break a structure. Okay, so here we also got to break a structure here as well. So that's like what? It's 5 confluences: a sweep, break a structure, SMT, and then a fair value gap retrace. That's like 4. But that's plenty for me. I usually try to look for 3 to 4 confluences before I enter a trade, and well, here you go. Well, yeah, this is a trade recap for Friday, November 8th, 2024.